Yeah, there's a bloody seat in my way. We are today, I'm going to film a couple of intros like I do usually. Today we are back on the Morris, and what we are going to do is we are going to, I'm going to call this one PJ's video, because he wants to know how to make up the panels and stuff like that. I want to show how to do that, and we're going to get that section of the inner wheel arch buttoned up. So without further ado, right, as you can hear, it is absolutely fiddling down. I won't say pissing, but it's time to get this quarter panel on. Big day, big day. One level A quarter panel. Now I'm going to stick this on the lapses until this is fitting right, and then we'll bring this in closely to the welding and see how it goes. Right, let's bring these in here. I don't know. No, that can all be tapped in. That's looking lovely. We go across. That's looking lovely. Go down. She's sitting out like an arse there. Another vice grip's in on that. And she's sitting up lovely around the wheel arch. But it's sitting horrible here. No, I don't worry about the surface rust this side. It's this side. The metal has all been treated and stuff. So what I think I'll do is I'll get the bits that are sitting nicely all in, and then I'll worry about the bottom section, then I'll pull it in as we go, and hopefully that should work. And we are a massive step forward on this. Right, I don't know what the audio is going to sound like on this. Again, I might time lapse and put some music over or something, because the wind is howling. I'm lifting the, what you call it, the corrugated. So what I've done is I've ground back this. I had to beat this in to get it to fit, and it doesn't fit very nice up there. Same here, it doesn't fit very nice, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to tack it in here just to start off, and anywhere that it might catch along there. As I said, this panel is a horrible fit. Don't think it's my skills. Everything cut nicely around it and stuff. It's just buy heritage if you can. But Magnum panels are fine if you're on a budget like myself, but sills and stuff like that, fine. Big panels like this, I'd advise you to get heritage. No. Without further ado, I can't find my gloves, and there's no point in me putting on the welding mask. Well, it probably is actually. But we'll get this show on the road. Where to go? Let's go. What's up? Level it. Yeah, that was absolutely horrible to weld in, but it's nearly there. So what I usually do is I usually just grind back those welds, and any little holes, then you just plug them back in. But we're starting to get there. Now, as I was saying with the this panel being horrible, if you look, nice all down there, but up here you can't see it, it's also hot. This is sitting out a mile, so I don't know if it's the pressings or what it is, but we're going to have to do some beating, and then when you start beating here, it's going to start pushing this out. So hopefully we can tap it enough that it'll hold. Now, rather than all the time lapse in there, I just said I'd bring you back in quickly just to explain what I'm doing here. There is a new section of wheel arch has went in along here, and basically the fitment wasn't right. So what I was doing there is I was just hammering that edge along. As you can see, it's squeezed in tight and it's minty. I didn't miss that, but I'll just give that another tap with the welder. So what's happened there is that's spreading. You can see the gap spreading. So I'm just trying to hammer the edge around until that's tight, and then I can put my last couple of spots in there, and then we can get this edge done here, and we'll call the quarter panel in. Oh shit, yeah, wrong with them as well, but we'll get there. Hey ho. Right, I'm gonna have to just put this down for a minute and have a think, and I'll get back to you when I'm ready. This gap here is horrible. It's not just horrible there, it's horrible on the inside as well, and the two skins are not even close. It's lovely here and it's lovely down there, but this section here is just, it's miles in. So I'm gonna have to try and figure out a way of doing that, and when I figure out a way, I'll bring this back in and we'll zip up the rest and zip across there, and we'll call that one a day. But this is a massive step forward on this, the MPI. It's just, I don't mind this, I can tidy this up off camera, but this, beautiful, I'm delighted with it. Right, to bring us back into where we are now, that was horrible. That was absolutely horrible. Now, I have it a lot better than what it is, so I'm just going to weld it up to the point I have it, and then that way hopefully I can pull the whole bit in. Basically, I'll show you on the inside. These two skins weren't meeting. Now, yes, I know I have a couple of pinholes there. I'm going to put a bit of copper behind it, and I'm going to shoot that with weld. I'm not worried about that when I get the quarter panel done. So it's meeting here, it's meeting there, and it's not there. I know it's quite black in here and you can't see, but there's a finger there. So that daylight looks a lot worse than it is, but it's just the gap in the panel, that's all it is. So I'll get a few bits tacked in there and we'll go from there. Now, I didn't film it, but if you're having the same problem along here, what I did was I have a big pair of grips here. Actually, I'll turn off that welder for a second so you can hear better. Quiet. Thank you. Now, what I did is I have a big pair of grips here, but when I put them in, they wouldn't reach where I wanted them to. So what I did was I stuck an Allen key in here, and I put the grips onto the Allen key, and then when I closed the grips, it actually pulled the gap in nicely. Now, as I said, it's still a little bit out here, but I want to get the bits that are touching properly in first, and then hopefully then we can manipulate the rest of it around. So I'll stick you back on the lapsies and we'll get some closed eyes welding done, and we're a step closer. Now, she's done. Thank God. Right, what do you think? Where are we? Replace driver's quarter panel. Tick. Can't make a marker. But anyway, This is a massive, massive step forward with this MPI. I'm buzzing that that's done. Now I'm going to be doing, I don't know if I'll throw the 2 videos out today, but I am going to be doing PJ's video, which is making the panels for the inner wing, or the panel, and showing the process. So I'm going to sign off here, catch us in the next one. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. As I said, you might get 2 videos out today.